Okay, so here we're sending a message to everyone. New iString, format iString, red color, and then white. Then remember, if you're using quotation mark in a text, you have to type this backward slash 2 times, just before the quotation mark. So this player has set this player's label to label. So you need to get the player name now. Player name, player, the one that typed the command. Player ID, name, because remember we stored the name in names, player variable name, and then player give ID name, and then the label that we gave them. So you can either type label or you can type player give ID label, because we already said that player give ID label is equal to label. And then you send client message to everyone. You don't have to put any color because you already gave it color here, so this color doesn't mean anything now. And then we are sending this string to the alt server. Now type return 1 and close bracket. So this is our set label command. So here I pasted weather and time command. So type cmd weather player ID params, type if is null params. So if someone didn't type anything after /weather, then you show them what the command does or how the command works. /weather, the ID of the weather. And then again you're saying that if the player is not logged in, then you need to send a message that you need to log in, or use /login. Then you need to create a variable myWeather, and then myWeather equals string, because it's gonna be a value. So also we need to make another check in here to see if the player did put a number, because the player has to put an ID, a number, not something to do with characters like ABCD. So you can write if isn't is numeric params so if the parameters were not numeric, then you need to send a message, send client message, you need to put a number for weather ID. This code you have to paste it in your stocks. So go to stock. You need to have this code in your game mode. Is numeric. It checks if what you typed is numeric or not. Is it 1, 2, 3, or does it have A, B, C, D as well in it? Going back to your weather command. So if what he typed wasn't numeric, then send him a message that you need to put a number for weather ID. Okay, then new myWeather, and then you can say myWeather is equal to string val params to get the number. Because it's a number, you need to type strval params. Then you set your weather, set player weather, player ID, because you're setting your own weather, to myWeather. MyWeather is the value that you put there. And so this sets your weather in game. Also change your variable player ID weather equals myWeather, and then you have to save your weather in your profile. So type dint set, because it's a number, p profile player ID, weather, my weather, and then you might want to send a message to yourself, string, size of my string, or the, I'm gonna put size of my string, and then you can say weather change to this weather, I string. So this will change your weather. And the next time you log in, the script will get your weather from your profile, and then it will set your weather to that weather. So it's gonna save your weather forever. And you do the same thing for time. My time, then you set your time. This is I think hours and then minute. So for minute you can just put 0. Says type set player time, player ID, my time, and 0. And then player ID time to your time, and you also need to set it in your profile. So next time when you join server you will have that time, and then you change it, send yourself a message. Alright, so this is it. Look at these errors. Okay, copy, paste. So make this label all capital. Label. Alright, the video ended. Okay, so alright, there's one more error. Control G, Control V. Okay, we forgot to put an S. Alright, I'll test your script.